fire alarm.
Immediately. Do not use the elevator. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Let's go out the side door here.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevator. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Get this strobe for y'all. Get this strobe.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevator. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
I do. I just have it recently.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency.
They sent me a video back, they were laughing at it, and I was like, the American education system is defined by laughter.
We're outside.
Oh no.
Somebody pulled the fire alarm.
Wait, is this a real fire alarm? No, it's 7:55, so I think this is a drill.
There could be like
Yes, please.
We're gonna hear some Wheelock ZNS in a minute. So yeah, this is the first video on the S10 Plus. This is for all you fire alarm enthusiasts. CNS is in there.
you had to do it last year. Or not last year, but
Loud.
oh, we had
I never I went to trouble, but I didn't have I never muted myself and I never turned on my camera.
Oh, you gotta listen in there. That's how loud. That's how loud they are. Fine. Make this my S10 Plus test. It's gonna film an elevator, but then you have this. 807, we're still out here. I think my other video just came vertical again. Now let's get a listen to these. Those are Wheelock ZNS is going off in there. And they are loud. Yeah, listen to the. Okay. Is this a real fire alarm or is this a drill? That's the question. Alright, that's it for now. 8:16, the alarm is silenced. Turns out somebody smelled something in the mechanical room over the college over there. And I think that's what set the alarm off. I think that's what happened according to one of the teachers. So I think it won't be long before we get to go back inside. I think the fire department showed up too to check it out. This would be interesting random fire drill or false alarm or real fire alarm. I think this one had to be a real fire alarm. That first video is probably going to come out vertical, but me evacuating. No, the strobes are still going. The system isn't reset yet. The strobes are still going. I don't know if you can see in there, but if you can't, I don't know if you can really see. Wait, here we go. You can't really see with the screen. I can't. I don't know. I'm trying everything I can, but the strobe is still flashing in there. Audible silence. This is a Siemens system, by the way. Well, 7 in the morning, we have a fire alarm.
Okay, so it's basically just
All right. I'll update. Oh, there's the fire department right over there. See, there's the fire department over there. Going into that room, seeing what's going on. Oh, there's. Anyway, it won't be long before we get to go back inside, so I'll let y'all know then. Okay, it is 7:27. They just announced the all clear, so now we are walking back into the building.
I gotta go back to class.
Man, it's cold. It's like 50-some degrees out here. It's like... Hold on.
He likes it, but I just feel
My shoes are dirty because I was walking in grass.
And it was all the same kid, too.
Alright.
Same kid, but both.
everybody get cold out here. Yeah, well, all good, all good. Have a good day, guys.
Hey, look, the elevator is still in normal service. Thought I would have recalled. Unless they reset it already, if it did recall to phase 1.